In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add calendar view to Trello. By the end, you'll know how to open the calendar on a Trello board, preview and complete tasks from the calendar, switch between month, week, and day views, see what's scheduled on a specific date, sync your board to a personal calendar, and add items without leaving the calendar. Make sure you're signed in to Trello and have a board ready to follow along. Start by heading to the Trello homepage. From there, click on Boards to open your list of boards. Choose any board where you want to manage deadlines. If you're following along and your calendar later looks empty, remember that Trello's calendar displays cards that have due dates. So if you don't see much yet, you can always add due dates to your cards and they'll show up here. With your board open, look near the title bar for the Views button. This is where Trello gathers different ways to visualize your work. Click Views, then choose Calendar. In a moment, you'll see your board's cards plotted on dates according to their due dates. This is a great way to spot upcoming deadlines, see busy stretches, and plan your week at a glance. To review a task directly from the calendar, click a card on the date where it appears. A Details window opens, showing the card's description, comments, and its due date. This is handy for quick context without navigating away from the calendar. When you're done, click the Close X to return to the calendar. If you've completed a task, you can mark it done right from the calendar. Look for the small circle or checkbox associated with the card's due date and click it to complete the due date. Trello will reflect that completion state, which helps you see progress right on the calendar. If you change your mind, you can uncheck it and the card goes back to pending. At the top of the calendar, you'll see a control that lets you change how much time you're viewing. If it currently says month, click it to open the options. Select week to zoom into the current week. Week view is perfect when you need a tighter focus on what's happening day by day. You can navigate to previous or upcoming weeks using the calendar's navigation arrows. Next, switch to day view. This narrows your focus even further, helping you zero in on what's scheduled for a single day. Whether you're in month, week, or day, you can click any date to see the tasks tied to that day. This makes it easy to drill down and review what needs attention now, tomorrow, or on any future date. If you prefer to reschedule, you can open a card and adjust its due date so it moves to the right spot on the calendar. If you like managing everything from one place, Trello can sync this calendar to your personal calendar. Look for the Sync to Personal Calendar option in the calendar view and click it. Trello will provide the information you need to connect with apps like Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, or Outlook using a secure calendar subscription link. Follow the on-screen steps in your calendar app, and your Trello due dates will appear alongside your other events. Keep in mind that updates may take a little time to reflect, depending on the calendar app's refresh schedule. Finally, you can add new items without leaving the calendar. Click Add within the calendar view, then choose Card or List. Give your new card a clear title and set a due date so it appears exactly where you expect on the calendar. If you're creating a list, name it thoughtfully so related tasks are easy to group and manage later. That's all there is to it. You opened your board, switched to calendar, reviewed and completed tasks, changed between month, week, and day, explored a specific date's tasks, synced to a personal calendar, and added new work right from the calendar. Use this view regularly to plan ahead and keep deadlines visible, and you'll stay organized with far less effort.